You cannot be a successful CEO in the AI age if you're not a practitioner yourself. This takes practitioner knowledge, so you need to get deep in AI, but also you want your leadership team to get very hands-on in the way they operate, and that needs to cascade throughout the organization. I'm Jessica. I'm a senior partner based in Paris, and I've been with BCG 18 years now. And all I do is data-driven marketing. I support our clients on their AI and digital transformations on their marketing functions. And I'm also BCG's Chief Marketing Officer. If you, like me, have been working in the industry for a long time, you see that a lot of companies are stuck in a quite impossible economic equation. On the one hand, growth is just harder. The context is more volatile, demand is more fractal, and on the other hand, costs go up. Cost of marketing, cost of doing business, cost of goods. So how do you break that? And actually AI is the first thing that we have that actually breaks that trade-off and helps us grow both the top line and gain productivity. For any company that's done an AI-driven transformation, you will see that most leaders start with, and it's mostly CEOs, with a thought, an intuition of what is the capability that they need to win in the market. But then from that, to actually putting the C-suite in motion, thinking of what will be my capabilities in 3 years, in 2 years that I need to win this. How do I get there? What's the technology that I need? How do I need to train my people so that they actually adopt this, change the way they work? How do I measure impact? And most companies, it's so multifunctional by nature that they cannot put this in motion without a partner that can really support that end-to-end. BCG brings that unique combination of strategic clarity and applied AI combined with the practitioner lens that really helps us team with clients uniquely. It's not just slides, it's not just ideas. I've done an 18-month program where the end deck that we gave them was only 10 slides. But we trained 1,000 marketers. We did 50 media campaigns with them. We left them technology and a capability they didn't have. That's the practitioner part of BCG, and that's the part of my job that I love so much.